So what are some benefits to cooperative grouping? Studies show that cooperative grouping is an incredibly efficient, high-leverage practice. Working in small groups, students are able to share their strengths while developing their weaker skills. Each student is an important piece of the group, bringing their own strengths to the table and simultaneously teaching their peers how to build said strengths. Furthermore, cooperative learning celebrates diversity. The opportunity is posed for the classroom community to celebrate diverse answers and strengths. It has also been found that group problem solutions are significantly better than those produced by even the best problem solvers on their own. Additionally, after practice problem solving in small groups, the problem solving performance of individual students had increased. Small group work has been linked to increased student achievement, both short-term and long-term. One reason for this is this provides more opportunities for teachers to provide feedback to their students and for peers to provide feedback to one another. Students developed a deeper understanding of the subject being explored. Cooperative grouping has also been linked to better student attitudes in college classrooms. Students build stronger interpersonal skills and learn how to productively deal with conflict. Furthermore, cooperative grouping can be used in all grade levels across all content areas. Benefits of homogeneous and heterogeneous grouping. Homogeneous groups are beneficial in providing intensive instruction to meet short-term academic and instructional goals. In these instances, students are grouped based on strengths, needs, and/or interests. Using this grouping technique allows for a more specific, intensive structure for students with a common objective for the lesson. Heterogeneous groups are beneficial as they increase student engagement in discussions and sharing of personal knowledge and skills. This is a great way to focus on diversity, as students will notice the strengths of those with different abilities and of culturally and linguistically diverse students. Heterogeneous groups have been shown to produce greater learning outcomes, increase satisfaction of group members, and provide students with an increased perception of the quality of their work. This is especially true for the improvement of students starting with a lower skill level in a subject. Some cautions of cooperative grouping. When creating groups, educators need to be conscious of student demographics. Minority students must not be isolated while groups are being formed. Educators must also be aware of the academic skill level and content knowledge level of each student. Grouping students without intentionality often leads to the false belief that specifically designed instruction is being provided. Criticisms have been made against cooperative grouping. In some cases, students can become responsible for the learning of their peers. This is why it is crucial that educators hold each of their students accountable for their contributions. Another possible negative is cooperative grouping only encouraging lower level thinking. We must make sure that activities we are engaging our students in call for higher level thinking. This ensures that students have a deeper knowledge of the topic. Some related strategies. Cooperative grouping, part of high-leverage practice number 17, use flexible grouping, is foundational to many other high-leverage practices and evidence-based practices. For example, high-leverage practice number 13, make adaptations, can use cooperative grouping to alter curriculum tasks and aid students in successfully reaching their learning goals. High-leverage practice number 12, systematically design instruction towards a specific learning goal, also applies here. Using cooperative grouping is one way to systematically design instruction for students to succeed. High-leverage practice number 20, provide intensive instruction, may also utilize cooperative grouping to create an individualized structure to best support the needs of students. Using cooperative grouping also provides an opportunity for teaching social skills relating to high-leverage practice number 9. Educators choose specific students, sizes, settings, and tasks for groups. Doing this allows students to best implement and grow their learning and interpersonal skills.